Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here and I'm here in downtown. Right now you can see this is a corner plot we're going to be discussing, which is with Bengati right now. Bengati is coming up with a new project named Bengati Skyblade, where you'll have the commercials, you have the retails and a 66-story residential tower. Right now if you talk about the exact location, I'm technically in Business Bay right now. In between you have a Burj Khalifa street, onto the left side we have downtown, which is built by Emaar. Onto the right side we have Business Bay developed by the Dubai Holdings. If we talk about the exact location, like you can say you will having the unobstructed views of Burj Khalifa and downtown. Onto this side you are going to have a view of Business Bay and canal as well. So in terms of like location, this is pretty much ideal location we are talking about. Like we are in Dubai, we are in downtown, and we are on the most prominent street, Burj Khalifa street. I'm here at the exact location. As you can see, this is a corner plot, which means like most of the units will get unobstructed views of downtown. You are getting unobstructed views of canal and Business Bay, which is right in front of it. Even if we talk about construction has already begun, even though that project hasn't been officially launched. We are talking about delivery in 2027. So yes, Bengati is the fastest developer of Dubai. Like most of their projects are getting handover over the period of 2 years. If we talk specifically about this building, you are getting 4 basements, you are getting 3 podium levels and 61 stories of residentials as well. And plus you are getting amenities at the rooftop, where you will be getting an infinity pool, and much like Bengati is loaded with amenities. But the best thing for now is you are in downtown and you are getting full amenities, plus fastest delivery handover is in 2027. You are getting with a payment plan of 70-30, like 70% you have to pay during construction, 30% at the time of handover, which is a pretty much good deal, because we are in Dubai, we are in downtown, right in front of Business Bay and Burj Khalifa, and prices are pretty much reasonable as we compare with any of other developers. I visited the construction side, and you can say Bengati is committing to be delivered in 2027, but this much of a speed, I do think so Bengati is going to complete much earlier. Even if we talk about the brand value, Bengati has delivered 12,000 plus units, which is a huge number. And in terms of the layouts and designs, Bengati has improved a lot. They have been working with the brands like Jacob & Co, with Bugatti Residences. They are coming up, and in downtown they are coming up with a new building named as Mercedes-Benz. So which is a huge success for Bengati as a brand value as well. And also in terms of availability, if we talk about, this is the last plot of downtown we are talking about. This is a corner plot and you are getting with a payment plan. And in terms of also the Airbnb holiday homes business, well, the developer claims it to be 15% of ROI, but I do expect it to be around 11 to 12% of ROI you can get easily with 100% of occupancy. If we talk about the availability, you are getting studios, premium studios, 1 bedrooms and 2 bedroom royal suites. And the prices are going to be starting from 1.65 million dirham for a normal studio, and for a premium studio it is going to start anywhere between 1.75 million dirhams. Even though the prices vary with the layouts and what view you are getting. I almost like every time I say that Dubai sells with views. What view you are getting, the price is going to be determined with the view. Even though if we talk about holiday homes and Airbnb, the ROI is going to be much higher just because of the availability and the occupancy status. We are talking about downtown, which is the most premium location in Dubai. To be very much precise with the location, I'm attaching you the Google link as well, where you'll get a clear idea. Like I'm just 3 minutes away from Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. Like you are 4 minutes from Dubai Opera. Other than this, if we talk about major attractions like Palm Jumeirah or even the airport, you are just 15 to 18 minutes away. Like you have to neglect the rush hours as well. EOIs for this project are open right now until 11th of September, and definitely it is worth of the hype. If you need to ask anything, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.